Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is a very special day. We're returning to our home, Spotify Camp Nou, fully renovated and officially approved by La Liga and UEFA for upcoming matches. After more than 2.5 years, the stadium is ready to reopen, and we're giving you an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at every key area, from the main hall and stands to the pitch and parking zones. Whether you've been with us from the start or just joined recently, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. A chance to witness Barca's iconic stadium come back to life and experience the excitement of football like never before. La Liga and UEFA have officially approved Barcelona's return to Spotify Camp Nou, giving fans the biggest news since the renovation began. With both bodies confirming that the reopened areas meet all safety and operational requirements, supporters now know that league and European football are coming back to the stadium. The City Council's approval allows Barcelona to host La Liga matches again under Phase 1B, confirming that the tribune, south goal, and the full lateral stand are ready for use. After more than 2 years away, this marks the first real step toward restoring normal match days at Camp Nou. UEFA's decision came as an even bigger surprise. They almost never allow a stadium change during the Champions League group stage, yet after checking the updated systems and access routes, they cleared the stadium for the match against Frankfurt. With both approvals secured, Camp Nou is finally ready to welcome fans back. Parking in lower entry areas, you can see the progress clearly. Most walls are finished, freshly coated, and the lighting system is installed. Vents are being cleaned, and staff are moving around preparing everything for match day. Fan pathways and player routes are already marked. It's fully functional, even if a few finishing touches remain. Moving up to the temporary access path, you get a great overview of the stadium. The upper sections show the scale of the work and how aligned the seating frameworks are. LED strips around the stands give a glimpse of what night games will look like. Cranes and tools are still visible, but the overall structure is complete, and you can easily picture thousands of fans filling these seats soon. Now, we step into the heart of the stadium, the pitch and bowl. The grass is immaculate, perfectly lined, and almost ready for action. Workers are adjusting irrigation, checking corners, and leveling the field. The surrounding stands are still getting final touches, but the colors and design are already set. Standing here, you can feel the energy. The stadium is almost alive even before the fans arrive. Inside the main hall, the space here is massive. The floor is freshly polished, and workers are still moving equipment, cleaning, and adding the final touches. The ceiling lights flicker on one by one, giving a mix of brightness and the unfinished feel of ongoing work. Even with some areas still under construction, the hall already looks modern and welcoming. Next, we move to the north goal. This section is nearly complete. The seating structure is fully in place from the lower rows to the top. Many seats are already installed, handrails are being secured, and LED lighting has been tested. Walking along the lateral side, you can see just how much has been accomplished. Most seats are in place, railings are installed, and wiring is nearly finished. Entry points are clean and ready. This is one of the stadium's longest sections, and it's clearly in the final stages of preparation with just a few small details left to finish. And that wraps up our walkthrough. Spotify Camp Nou is looking incredible, and it's amazing to see how close everything is to being ready for match day. Thanks for joining us on this walkthrough. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're as excited as I am for the big return. We'll see you next time with more updates and behind-the-scenes access.